Have you tried to make something but it didn't work? Maybe you didn't have clear instructions. Today, we're going to learn instructional writing. Instructional writing tells someone how to do something step by step. Step 1. Title. First, we write a title. The title tells us what we are going to do. Example: how to make a cup of tea. Step 2. Tools and ingredients. Next, we write tools and ingredients. Ingredients are things we use to make the food. Tools are things we use to help us. Ingredients: a tea bag, sugar, hot water. Tools: a cup, a spoon, a teapot. This part comes before the steps. Step 3. Steps. Now we write the steps in order. Each step starts with a verb. Sequence words. We use sequence words to show order. First, next, then, after that, finally. Example: how to make a cup of tea. Ingredients: a tea bag, sugar, hot water. Tools: a cup, a spoon, a teapot. Steps: first, put the tea bag and the cup. Next, pour hot water from the teapot into the cup. Then, wait for 2 minutes. After that, add sugar and stir with a spoon. Finally, drink your tea and enjoy it. Quick check. Is a teapot an ingredient or a tool? Yes, it's a tool. Reminder: your instructions are clear. They are in order. They are easy to follow. Great job! Now you can write your own instructions, but remember, this is one type of instructional writing. There are other types of instructions too, like how to brush your teeth, how to wash your hands, or how to use something. We are going to learn these types in another lesson. If you want to improve your English writing and speaking, you can join my online English sessions. We learn step by step with clear explanations and fun examples. Message me to book your session. See you next time. Bye.